guys. Yo yo.
Oh, laki-laki.
Wow.
Hello po kay
Hello vlogger.
Oh, lagi ane hor bang lo. Oh, pernah ane cukup bang. Oke, ane curi kilo. Sudah ke tangju po.
Ane curi. Jaga dana sih dong kau.
Itu deh.
Lots of program.
Halo guys, kecil kalbing long kila rabdan. Kesempatan berpilih gaya Indiana ro. High secondary, college salon. Pressure meet abang so. Long mana phone ini nilai gitu kali lah. Usaha sih gitu abang so. Nang shoot kalau saya nang itu kata oh sampai pakai kalau pen alon dupik yang pen kita yang bingju doan kena mesti support group saya nih kita lalu pen college kami non ke strict week lalu pen panjang week lalu pen semester perang pun ke dulu non ke satu week kami perang nanti saya bingju doan
Ano guys? Yo yo.
oh laki-laki.
Wow.
Hello po kay
Hello vlogger.
Nah,
2024.
oh, 2024 and 25.
Hah?
Fans kali laki hours. Oh, dali hor dun dalang ni. Oh, lagi ane hor bang lo. Kela alang di bang ke pilo ko.
Meramix.
Merami. Oh. Kela lagi buti.
Marti hai.
Sama kira ni cuci lah. Asong ane cholo jo. Ane cholo asong. Oi. Jo ane cholo lagi lang nupik nomor ane chup. Oh pernah ane chup ma. Lalu yo lang dung bang. Oh. Jo puke ane curi kilo. Sudah ke tangju po.
Ane curi. Jaga dana sih dong kau.
Oh, alang libang ejo lang jun po. Tidak kompen. Lo ka ben tayo. Oh, ni pa dito ko nila. Jo, gusto. Ada kaya ano. Ito din.
Anjen apa benar?
Woi, kalah tu kau. Kemampuan memang kan. Sandra Madra. Malong lah tu kamu kan. Takut tu kamu buang mama ni kamu. Itu kemalong lo. Video benar. Video benar. Oh harap. Salah. Jason ang tengok.
Jason.
Oh, Jason tengok ni.
Alay.
Oh, Jason.
Sini non video bunai bom lo. My blogger is now. Yeah. This is girl and this is boy. And this is girl and this is my sister and this is also. And this is Miss Sertiun and this is Amen. Oh, Sermika, where are you? Your face. And this is my dress. And no, here is photo clicking. Oh,
Dek.
Raskim. Yeah. Oh, Mirdan is now coming now. Yeah.
Oh, bhai.
This
Dah,
Mirdan. Yeah. And this boy.
Video
Students, to please be under the banner.
apa lo?
Camera, camera.
Thank you, principal, sir, teachers, and all my dear students. It's late now, okay? So we have to go home now. See you also. It is a long day. There's been lots of programs. And the remaining program that is left today, we will begin tomorrow. So don't mind, okay? You'll get to perform tomorrow. And today, we will end with the last, performance. Thank you very much, Miss.
Woi Mukra, darap ka na di thela ho oi ho.